Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm here educational course. This course teaches essential leadership skills in a practical way, based on 40 years of real-life experience. It covers leadership styles, cultural and remote working challenges, and includes a personal improvement plan. It is suitable for managers, entrepreneurs, students, and those interested in leadership roles across various fields. You will learn how to become an inspiring and effective leader through proven tools and techniques. This course has a 4.4 rating and over 25,000 students, making it a successful and popular program. Its current price is around €12. By purchasing this course, you will have complete access to it and future updates. The total duration of the course is 5.5 hours. In this course, you will learn what is leadership, leadership types and styles, what is excellence in leadership, how to attain excellence in leadership, leadership challenges in remote working, leadership challenges working in different cultures and functions, your leadership personal improvement plan. Now, I have an exciting offer for you. I want to share this valuable course with you, for free and fully legally. To find out how this works, first subscribe to our channel, and add this video to your watch list. Next, open your browser, and search for the address couponcenter5.com in Google. In the search results, click on this link. Make sure the site address is exactly as shown here, and you will be directed to couponcenter5.com. After clicking the link, you will reach the homepage of the site. On this site, you can access a variety of discount coupons for courses. Use the search section to find your desired course. Now, you can see the course you are looking for. To get the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click on the button Go to the course. The course will be available to you for free. Please note that coupons are time limited. So now, with just a few clicks, you have gained free and legal access to this course. If this video was helpful to you, like and subscribe, and share it with your friends.